welcome back to ZIIP with me. This is episode 3 and this one will be quick freshen up when you don't have enough time. So these 3 treatments will be you in a rush in the morning, you have not much time but still want to do something to look a bit fresher and more awake. So we will start with 4-minute facial. 4-minute facial is a quick full face treatment. This treatment uses square waveform and nanocurrent, so micro and nanocurrent, which is interesting because that means that it will work on your muscles and also on a deeper skin repair on your ATP. So gel on, I already have mine on. Open your app, get your ZIIP out and let's do it. Okay, turn your ZIIP on, choose your 4-minute facial, start treatment. You've got your gel on, don't you? I'm ready. And now sync the treatment.
This is our micro and nanocurrent treatment.
Now, this one is pretty freeform, but Mel says to do it in 3s. So each section you do in 3s. And if you just think about it as pulling all the muscles up, so you just work up. Now, if you have Botox, really, if you first get Botox, there isn't really official time, but I would not do any microcurrent treatments for the first 2 weeks because that's how long it takes for Botox to fully kick in, because obviously microcurrent works on your muscle, works out the muscle. So while the Botox is working, you don't want the muscles to work too hard to disperse the Botox. But after that, if you're worried, for example, if you have it in your crow's feet, just avoid this area. Just go like closer to your hairline, not right on your crow's feet. But I just do it. Never had that problem because I didn't have Botox for 5 years, but as you know, I had it again about 2 months ago. So we just pull everything up. Okay, swap. Let's pull that eye up. This is such a quick treatment. Just think of it as you do your jowls first, then your cheeks, and then lifting your eye. So relaxing, isn't it? And this treatment is done. The next treatment we will do is eyes. We are short on time and we still want to look fresh and awake, and eyes is the first area that really shows it. This one uses lighter microcurrent with square waveform because the area under eye is more delicate. And this should help with puffiness and fine lines. Okay, your thing is on, your zip is on, start treatment, I'm ready, sync treatment. So with this you can go quite close to your eye, under eye, on your orbital bone, and just doing it like in a swiping motion. So this will help you with puffiness, and fine lines. And then we are doing the other eye, the second eye, as we have more than two. You can go really, really close to your eye with this one. Remember, it's using still a structured pulsed current, but it is much gentler. And that's done. That was really quick one. And the third treatment we will do is plump. Okay, let's do the plump treatment. This is very, very quick. This is basically to plump up the areas that you need, that you think need plumping up. So for example, you might want to work on these lines. Some people have hollows here under the cheeks. You might want to plump up this area, or you might want to plump up cheeks. So choose one, but you can repeat this treatment on those three areas. So do the first treatment on your lines, second treatment on your cheekbones, for example. Some people do it on their chin if they feel they have quite flat chin, wherever you need plumping up. So let's turn it on, choose the treatment, start treatment. This is just 2 minutes. I'm ready, and sync treatment.
All right, so I'm gonna do this treatment to bring.
So let's say we want to work on these lines. Just keep the device in that place and just rock it gently. This brings the blood to the area. And you could do it here. Let me just show you. I mean, you would stay just on this one area in those hollows under your cheek, or just on the top of your cheek. So just choose which area is most important to you. But I would spend the whole minute on each side just on one area. And like I said, if you want to do more than one area, then just repeat the treatment. I think you can do maximum of 3 rounds. I'm going to do the other bits. And that's done. So this was so quick. It was 8 minutes altogether. So this is your quick wake up treatment. I do this one a lot when I'm in a rush, but I feel I have to do something. Okay, my lovelies, I will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for zipping with me, and stay fabulous. Bye.